How do you measure how effective your AWS contract is for you? It can be sort of a hard thing to do, and we've negotiated a lot of these, over $9 billion worth. So we have some thoughts. There's really two ways that we have found to measure how good a contract is. One is what we call the effective discount rate. This is only really measurable in the past, as in looking backwards on the data, although you can try to forecast it as well. The way you do this is because you have different discounts of different depth on different services, which are fundamentally tied to your consumption of services, you have to be able to calculate exactly how much am I saving over blended rates. And this changes over time. So if you've got a 30% discount on S3 storage and a 20% discount on cross-AZ data transfer, how much are you actually saving? Do that math of how much I'm saving on each individual one, add up all the savings at the end, and now you know how much you've saved over that full month, and do that for every single month. It's a lot of work, but honestly, once you get to it, you can calculate an effective discount rate every single month, which is actually going to lead to some really interesting use cases for deciding where to move spend around. The second major way to measure it is what we call the discount coverage rate. Take your gross spend, so the spend that you have before any discounts are applied, and then figure out how much of that spend is covered by service-specific discounts, so not cross-service discount, just service-specific discounts. That KPI is a really great way to measure exactly how good your contract is. We generally see 40 to 50% as being a great measure. If you're over that, fantastic. If you're under 20%, you either have a really small bill or a really bad contract. It is sort of expected that your contract will get worse for you over time because your spend patterns change, your consumption changes, the things that you're trying to do with AWS change. That is totally expected. That's completely fine. Renegotiate your contract when it's time, and then measure with these two KPIs how good those new contracts are. And that'll really help you out. If you're looking for help in your next AWS contract negotiation, reach out to us at the link below.